Hello everyone, I am Mrs. Ahmed and today we will be reviewing Vedant Fashions Limited IPO. Many of our subscribers requested us to make a video that why we are not applying for this IPO. So without wasting any time, let's start the analysis. I think most of you would not have heard the name Vedant Fashions Limited, but many of you would have heard the name manyavar. It is one of the company's brand. manyavar is the brand in which Virat Kohli is the brand ambassador of the company. You have seen him in the ads. So the company makes Indian celebration wear. It works on a single line of product. The company has got brands like manyavar, Mohi, Mibas, Manthan and Tormev. So these are the 5 brands on which the company work. In the financial year 2020, Vedant Fashion was the largest in India in the men's Indian wedding and celebration wear segment in terms of revenue and profit after tax. So this was in the year 2020, and as of September 30, 2021, that is the last quarter, the company had a retail footprint of 1.2 million square feet covering 535 EBOs, including 55 shops, spanning 212 cities and towns in India. So the company has got 535 exclusive brand outlets. Like there in the brand outlets, only the company's branded clothes they sell. Like manyavar, Mohi, Mibas, these are the brands they sell in these outlets, and they cover 212 cities across India. So that's quite a good number, you can say. And they have got 11 exclusive brand outlets overseas across United States, Canada and UAE. So they have got only 11 exclusive brand outlets, which is quite a small number, I feel, because they work in a single line of product. So this should be a good number. We cannot expect people to wear Indian celebration wear in United States, Canada and UAE. So this is quite a worrisome point for us. Now coming to its financial performance. Total assets in March 31st March 2015 was 15,915 millions. In 31st March 21, it got increased to 16,256 million, but in the last quarter, that is 30th September 21, it got decreased to 14,455. Here also the increase was not a huge increase. It was roughly around 30 crores only. Total revenue, as you can see, is also declining. It's continuously declining. In 31st March 20, it was 9,479. 31st March 21, it was 6,250, and 30th September 21, it was 3,872 crores, which is very less, almost half, you can say. Profit after tax is also declining. It was 2,366 millions 31st March 20. In 31st March 21, it was 1,329 crores. And in the last quarter, it got decreased to 9,984 millions. So in all, the financial performance is declining. So the object of the issue is to achieve the benefits of listing the equity shares on the stock exchanges and to carry out the offer for sale of up to 3 crores 63 lakhs 4,838 equity shares by the selling shareholders. So the promoters are the shareholders right now. So what they are doing, they are selling all the shares to the public right now. So the offer for sale is 100% of the equity shares they are willing to sell to the public. So these are the important dates, as you can see. If we take the face value as rupees 10 per equity share, and if we multiply by the IPO price, So the IPO price is rupees 824 to 866 rupees. So if you multiply it by 10, what do we get? We get 8,000 to 8,000 rupees. Okay, around 8,000 rupees. So this is a stretched valuation. The valuation should be around 500 to 600 rupees. So maybe on the listing day we can get we can get a gain of 10 to 15%, but it's a bit risky, as if the share will fall, means after a few days maybe the share could fall to around 500 to 600 rupees. So it's a risky investment to get 10 to 15% return and to lose 30 to 40% of your money. So you can see here the market lot is also 17 shares. So you are going to get 17 shares in one lot. So the total issue size is 3 crores 63 lakhs, and offer for sale is also 3 crores 63 lakhs equity shares. So what they are doing, they are selling all of the equity shares to the public. They are not holding any of the shares, and this money which they will get from the selling of these shares will go to the promoters only. They are not going to use it for any expansion. They are not going to do anything with the money. They are going, this money which they will receive by selling these equity shares will go directly to the promoters. So this is the most negative point of this IPO. So we feel that the evaluations are not much attractive. So we are not applying for this IPO. You can do your own analysis for more conviction. Thanks for watching the video. And if you have liked the analysis, please give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to our YouTube channel. This motivates us to make such more analysis video. Jazakallahu khaira. Allah Hafiz.